showing you guys what I eat in a day, cheat meal edition or junk day edition. I think in my last video, or actually no, not the last video, but the video before that, I will leave the link down in the description box below. I actually showed you guys what I eat during the week. So actually from Monday to Friday, I eat very healthy. Breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. I eat very healthy and I make sure that I stick to that. But then comes the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and on those 2 days, all bets are off. There are no restrictions, nothing like that, and I eat whatever the hell I want, be it burger, pizza, biryani, like anything and everything, I will eat it. So that's the kind of deal that I have with myself. So this way, Monday to Friday, I love eating all the healthy stuff, and then on the weekend, I love eating all my junk stuff. So it's like the best of both worlds. And honestly, because of this, I don't miss eating junk food during the week at all. This is like the best thing that works for me personally. Without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with a breakfast. Now this breakfast, I actually don't even have that often, which is Maggi. I think I have Maggi or any like instant noodles, say once in 2 months or once in 3 months. So this morning is like one of those rare days where I wanted some Maggi for breakfast. Now for this breakfast, I'm actually having oats Maggi. Now this is something that was suggested by my mom, and not because she wanted me to eat something healthy, but she just told me that the taste of oats Maggi is much more tastier than the regular one, and I was like not believing her at all. But I tried the oats Maggi and it was amazing. Along with that, I actually had a sunny side up egg. I feel like this oats Maggi masala actually tasted much better than the regular Maggi masala. You guys, if you've tried it, let me know in the comments down below. Another thing I want to say is that just because it's oats Maggi doesn't really make it healthy at all. I guess it's going to be a little healthy than the regular Maggi. Moving on to the next phase. So at this point, like somewhere between breakfast and lunch, I actually got very thirsty. I don't know, I think it was a very hot day. It's always hot in Chennai, but I feel like that day it was particularly hot, and I was filming other videos and pictures and stuff, so I got, you know, like very thirsty. And generally I'm just a strictly water type of person. We actually recently stocked up the fridge with a lot of like fruity drinks, so I just grabbed myself a juice. It's this brand called Mogu Mogu, and it has like these bits of coconut inside, which honestly tastes so good. And I have like this 3 flavored ones, and I grabbed the strawberry one because that is my favorite. So moving on to lunch. Now lunch is something that my mom made, and something which is an absolute weekend like necessity, compulsory. Like every weekend, at least one of those days, this will be for lunch, which is biryani. And along with that, we had some fried chicken, especially the one that my mom makes. It's so good. Now one thing I want to mention here is that even though I'm having anything and everything that I love eating, you know, as my cheat meals and everything, I also make sure that I don't have too much of it. I always have like a portion control. So even though I am eating everything that I love, but I don't go overboard. So yeah, that is one tip to remember on your cheat meal days. So whenever I have biryani for lunch, I honestly get super full, and for those reasons I actually didn't have any snack that evening. So for that reason, we're gonna jump straight to dinner time. So for dinner, suddenly out of the blue, I decided that I'm gonna make my own burger buns at home from scratch. I like to do that sometimes. I really love baking. We had these veg burger patties and we had chicken nuggets. So all I needed was some burger buns, and I decided to make them. It took around 2 to 3 hours because you need that much time for, you know, the bun to bake and everything like that. Instead of frying the patties and nuggets, we just bake them in the oven itself, so that even that process was pretty oil free. And then after that, you know, just assembling the burgers, I added some caramelized onions, some raw capsicum, I put a good amount of mayo, I just assembled the burger, I put the patty. It was actually a pretty big dinner, but I think by the time I was done making the buns and everything, it was like probably 10:30. We generally have dinner by 9. At that point, we actually got hungry again. That is what I had for dinner. It was absolutely amazing and we loved it so much. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously not all the days are the same. Every Saturday, Sunday is very different. So this weekend I actually had this, but then the next weekend will be completely different. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what do you think of my cheat meals. Also, if you have any more video ideas, please let me know. I would love to take your feedback and make a video on it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it, and also subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And see you guys in my next one. Bye.